Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn PHP variable and PHP output statement. First we learn what is a variable in PHP programming language. Variables are containers for storing information. Rules for PHP variables. A variable starts with the $sign, followed by the name of the variable. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, example letter Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. That means $small age and $big age are two different variables. The scope of PHP variables. In PHP, variables can be declared anywhere in the script. PHP has three different variable scopes: local variables, global variables, static variables. First is local variables. A variable declared within a function is a local variable and can only accessed within that function. In this example, value of x is local variable and can be used within this function. If we use value of x outside this function, then it generates error. Second is global variables. A variable declared outside function is global variable. This variable cannot be used in any function. It can be used out function. In this example, first we call test function, then it will produce error and echo $x will display value of x. If you want to access global variable within function, then you can use this by global keyword. The global keyword is used to access a global variable from within a function. In this example, this function will display value of x, which is global variable, and it's used in function by using global keyword. And last is static variable. When the function is called, then all the variable of function are deleted. But if we want to use variable of function, then we use static variable. In this example, first will produce 0, second will produce 1 and last function will produce 2. There are two statements in PHP for display output on screen: echo statement and print statement. Echo and print are more or less the same. They are both used to output data to the screen. The differences are small. Echo has no return value, while print has a return value of 1, so it can be used in expressions. Echo can take multiple parameters, while print can take one argument. Echo is marginally faster than print.